Every fast app has a secret weapon. Today, we're cracking the code on caching strategies. So, what's the number one thing slowing your app down? Yep, waiting for the database.
And that's where caching comes in. It's how you make data access ridiculously fast.
All right, first up is the most common one you'll see, cache aside. Think of it as the workhorse.
It's pretty simple. Your app is the boss. It checks the cache, then the database. So what's the trade-off? Well, it's resilient. If the cache fails, your app lives. But you might get stale data. So you should use this for read-heavy apps where data isn't changing all the time.
Okay, let's flip this around and talk about writing data. This is all about keeping things consistent. With write-through, your app writes to the cache and the database at the same time, no delay. The upside? Your data is always consistent. The downside? Writes are a little bit slower. Now, right behind is all about speed. The app writes to the cache and just moves on, instantly. You get a huge performance boost. But there's a catch. Risk of data loss if the cache fails. So you see the choice here, right? Is it all about safety or all about speed?
Okay, our last one is read-through. This is where you make the cache itself do the heavy lifting. So if the data's not in the cache itself goes and gets it. Pretty neat. This makes your application code super clean, but you're just pushing that complexity down into the cache. This is a game changer for microservices. It centralizes all your data fetching logic in one spot.
Okay, that's a lot of options. So how do you pick the right one? Let's break it down.
Think of this as your cheat sheet. Just match what your app needs most to the strategy's big benefit.
So picking the right strategy is your key to a super fast app. Now, what are you going to build?